So I usually just buy batteries. Does that even look straight? Sort of. I usually buy batteries a lot of times, like double A's and triple A's and things like that. A lot of times I just get them from the dollar store because they're cheap. But then I'm always disappointed because, number one, they don't last very long at all. And a lot of times I get them and they may last like a day or not have any power in them at all, because who knows how long they've been sitting on the shelf there. Nobody checks, nobody cares. They just stay there and they're like, hey, it's $1 or $2 or whatever. And then you don't take them back because you're like, it cost me more in gas to return these, so whatever. They got my dollar and I got nothing. When these guys reached out, PowerOwl, I guess he's PowerOwl, they said, hey, do you want to try some rechargeable batteries? And I was like, yes, I would like to try some rechargeable batteries, because really, if you look at going with the big brand name, I think, of batteries, for instance, your Duracells or your Energizers or anything like that, again, like single-use batteries, you could still be looking at for a 2-pack or a 4-pack or something like that. $4, $6, $8. I don't know exactly how much, but really, something like these, this is the charger and this is the batteries. You pay for them one time and they're good. They're good for could be years, right? And the nice thing is, depending on how many batteries you buy, you may just constantly be able to have them kind of set in recharge mode. So you're never in a scenario like me where I need AAA batteries and I don't have any because they're in use somewhere else. Anyways, we got sent to us a mixed set of batteries, which I'll put a link to below. And this is, you can get either like a pack, I think it's like a pack of 8 or something like that, of all AAAs or all AA's or whatever. I got them to send, and I hope they sent because I haven't looked at it. It's a mixed pack, so I think it's 4 or 6 AAAs and 4 or 6 AA's, something like that. And this charger, the PowerOwl 16 bay for AA's or AAA's battery charger, it has been updated for high-speed charging. Now it does say color green, red, that's going to be the charging lights. Of course, green means it's charged, red means it's charging. Weighs in at 339 grams, 1.4 volts. As for output, 220 volts input, and charging time, it says about 10 hours. And my guess would be that would be 10 hours. I don't know if that's like if a single battery went in or if you just, you filled it completely up with batteries. It does say 16 bay battery charger, special round design. That's excellent. Only compatible with nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium batteries, rechargeable batteries, 16 independent charging channels. Yes. And I believe that this says that can be mixed when charging. So nickel metal hydride and nickel cadmium can be mixed. High precision 4-stage intelligent charging. Good. And it is trickle charging, so that is also nice. So it's nice to keep them just kind of, current. So if you put them in there and just kind of let them sit, which is what I'll probably be doing. Good cooling system. Every slot has 3 vents, can help batteries reduce temperatures, which is good. And has a 30-day refund and a 12-month warranty. So that's awesome. Any of these pictures say anything? No, not really. That one's shows it's sturdy. This one shows constant current charge and then trickle charging. Roll over image to zoom in. There's the red light, green light showing ones that are being charged. And this is this little video. And again, links down below if you guys are interested. This is the batteries that the little case that it comes in. PowerOwl. PowerOwl. Yes. Do not short circuit. Don't throw in the water. Do not fry them. Do not add them to your dinner. All kinds of accessories. And there they are. Oh, I got way more than I thought. For some reason, I thought it was like 4 and 4, but it's 8 and 8. That's best because that's like 4 of each device for most things. And this is the recharger. So this is the excitement right here. It's not overly exciting. Let's be honest. It's a battery charger, but you know what? I am always in a predicament when it comes to having to charge stuff. So this is your little charger instruction manual. My guess is plug it in and let it charge. So Very kind of cool looking. I like this versus the rectangle. It's just, I don't know. I don't know why I like it better. It looks kind of neat. Anyways, we're going to plug this in because my guess is these will all need to be charged. And I don't know how, maybe what I'll do is I'll come back, but it's hard to go through and tell you, oh yes, these will last X amount of hours, because it really all depends on what you're actually, charging or what the batteries are being used for. Now, these batteries, just so you guys know, the double A's are 2800 milliamp hours. So compare those to some of the, no name brand or full brand, whatever, right? Then you'll be able to at least get a size comparison, because that's something, I'll be completely honest with you. When I first started playing with batteries, I thought it's a AA battery, so it has the same amount of power as all AA batteries, but that's not necessarily true. The AA is the size. Doesn't mean it has the same amount of power as, another AA battery that's sitting right beside it. So this, I think if I'm correct, there is going to be a plus and a minus. So I am guessing that says, you guys see it right there? That says plus on there, and at first I was like, oh, these are big minuses, which they could be, but it does say plus in there. So let's just take one of these and just kind of, boom, charging. Sweet deal. They go in plenty easy. It's like a big, big Iron Man circle thing that's on you right there. Sweet. I'm just gonna fill these up because I might as well. Now, just so you guys can see, you may be able to see, there's this kind of spot where the AA goes, and then there's a little one down here near the bottom, which is where the AAA goes. So you just kind of get it up against there, and you'll see the red light come on. But make sure you don't try to put it here because it won't reach. Just so you know. There it is, guys. 8 and 8. It's in there, all charging. I don't know what else to tell you. I think it's one of those things. Most of us probably, for the majority of the stuff you and I probably use, it probably has a battery inside it, right? USB-C charger, or like micro USB or mini USB or something like that. But there's so many things. My doorbell, my door lock on the house is AAAs, AA's, I can't remember. And remote controls are AAAs, AA's. There's always some tiny little knickknack thing that comes. You get a little drone controller, it's like AAAs or AA's. So this is kind of nice to have, especially if you're using it with like some kind of toy, because toys usually draw a lot of power. And at $4, $5, whatever it is for like a set of 2 or a set of 4, you'll be going through those, and all of a sudden, your $40 little drone toy or RC car or whatever has cost you $40 in batteries, let alone the price of the device. So this, not so much, not a bad idea. All right, guys, for you guys, what do you normally use? Do you use rechargeables? Do you guys just go to the store and buy batteries when you need them? I think this will come in handy. It does. It's not a horribly looking either, right? Because it's kind of cool. And yeah, I'll put links to their store on Amazon, and you guys can take a look at some of their charging options. All right, guys, that's it. This is the PowerOwl charger, and we will see you guys next video. Later.